That's okay, we both crashed. Day 3.
Feeling good.
Yesterday we biked 42 miles, a lot of it uphill. I think we did 1,500 feet. Today will be mostly flat, so we'll see how far we get.
I'm wearing the padded shorts today.
And it's not raining, it's a little warmer. I think we'll get a few more miles in. Got our tires pumped up, we're pumped up, and we're gonna go hit the road.
Woo!
I don't know. This is 5 minutes into the ride. It's pouring. I don't know if it was just the lighting, but this place just felt magical. Oh, it's a little rough. Ah, it's a little muddy. It kind of keeps your wheel centered.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of that. Really muddy.
Are we sure we're not supposed to be on the other side of the fence?
Right.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's okay. We both crashed. And I have it on video.
Oh, that's right.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was the water bottle.
Don't worry, the accident was pretty much injury-free, other than just a slight brush with some stinging nettles. The landscape here is beautiful, with the mountains and the clouds in the background. Tons of wildflowers everywhere. It doesn't get much prettier than this. We found the most amazing place to have a picnic. There's all kinds of little finches flying. Got a train coming in the background. Today we're biking from Chur, Switzerland to Ruggell, Liechtenstein. Should be about 40 miles without too much climbing. This is Jen's heaven right here. It's just miles and miles of flowers. And look at those eyelashes. They're all so clean. Our cows are all covered in crap and mud. This is the amazing picnic spot I was telling you about earlier in the video. Earlier in the day, we stopped by a grocery store, picked up some bread, some cheese, some salami, a bunch of different chocolate bars to try out, some bruschetta, some pickles, and we had an awesome picnic. Hello. I don't know if you can hear the sounds of the horns in the background, but it was pretty cool. Where are we, Jen?
Switzerland.
Other than that, I don't know either.
Of a vineyard.
We're along the Rhine River, where it switches from going east to going north. It's some sort of vineyard. You can hear those Swiss horns off in the distance. If you'd like to find this place, the place where the photo was taken is shown right here on the map. The scenery here is just so lush. These grapevines were so full of grapes, it was incredible. And this route really takes you through the most picturesque part of each town. I go straight. Having a good time. Got our music going. Just ate lunch. This is some easy riding. The landscape here almost looks like Hawaii. Can you still hear me? Loud and clear? 'Cause I can barely see you way out there. You gotta be a half mile away. Yeah, I hear you loud and clear. These helmets are awesome. Right on the side of the trail were several of these bunkers, which I thought were cool. Lots of castles in the hills, lots of bridges crossing the river. We decided to take one of them, and in the middle of the bridge was this plaque which defines the border between Switzerland and Liechtenstein. We decided to spend the night in Liechtenstein just so we can say we conquered another country. Around 6 o'clock we started looking for a hotel, and we found one pretty much right away. Alright, do it again.
Closed.
Oh, they move up, down, and...
Ah, that's cool. Oh, that's neat. Look at it go. Takes its sweet time.
And with that, we end day 3.